Today we're in Montville in the beautiful Sunshine Coast Hinterland, and this is Postman's cottage. Let's go and have a look inside. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous inside? I love these old cottages with their character windows, their beautiful hardwood floors. This one's clearly been set up for couples where you've got this open space, king-size bed, luxurious linen, big lounge, all set up for a snuggly weekend. What makes this a really special and unique slow stay is that there is actually no TV and no Wi-Fi. So you've got no choice but to light a fire, sit on the lounge, read a book, play a game, really reconnect with yourself and who you're here with. If you are feeling inspired to cook, you've got this beautiful fully equipped kitchenette, or just over the hill is the town of Montville, where you've got lots of cafes and restaurants also. If you are here for some R&R, this big comfy bed is probably where you're going to be spending most of your time, and this linen feels amazing. You can really tell the owners have taken quite a lot of thought in the detail in this bathroom. There's this beautiful Moroccan floor rug, Mukti organic shower products, and just little touches around the place that make you feel at home. Although most slow stays are set up for couples, I feel like this is the type of place you could also come and just retreat by yourself. You can sit by the fire, read a book, sit out here on the veranda and look out at the surrounding acreage, and I think we could all use a little bit of that.